Palm Harbor Home.
Good morning. Welcome to Palm Harbor Homes in Seguin. I'm John. Today we're standing in our beautiful Urban 3. What does that mean? That means it's a big 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 living area, almost 2,400 square feet. This house has got a lot of features. It really does. You can see this kitchen has got a huge walk-in pantry. Look at the size of this island. It comes with this nice, beautiful appliance package, which includes your side-by-side ice and water in the door, upgraded dishwasher, got a built-in microwave, smooth top range, and honest to goodness, folks, this Vent-A-Hood, I don't know how many of you guys have, when you're cooking, you know how bacon will get a little away from you and it'll smoke up real fast? This sucks it right out. And it's not one of those re-ventilators, it absolutely goes through the roof. So if you have a little accident in the kitchen, you're gonna really appreciate that Vent-A-Hood. Other things in this house, I mean, look at the cabinetry, it's all wood cabinets. It's got that nice rustic feel. You can see how they've got the rustic finish on the cabinets themselves. You can see tape and textured walls throughout this entire home. This house has got a huge master suite. It's got its own built-in entertainment center inside the suite. When you go into that master bath, again, it's nothing but luxury. You've got a full ceramic tile shower with a nice bench seat built in. You've got cabinets galore, each his and her sinks. It's got a new tub. It's got a great big rain shower head in the shower. You can take a look. You've got your vinyl floors in your main living area, so you don't have to worry about carpet living in the country. You don't have to worry about the dogs or cats or anything. It's very pet friendly. It's just tough stuff. But the main part of the house is your bedrooms are huge. Even the secondary bedrooms have nice big walk-in closets. You've got a big utility room. When I say big, it's got a folding table built in. You still have freezer space, plus your washer and dryer, and it's just awesome. But you know, folks, this house, when you walk in, it's got the 8.5-foot flat ceilings. It's a home. It's not the old T word. It is a home. I mean, everything about it, the cove molding, the finishings, the dual pane windows, the energy efficiency of this house, the vents in the roof, on and on and on and on. Folks, you just need to come take a look at this. If you're in the market for a big house and you want high quality, you need to come see me. Let me show you this house. People can be in this house for, depending on your situation, $1,100 to $1,200 a month, and that's no joke. I mean, and that's with a minimal down payment. So guys, if you're really in the market, you want to take advantage and you're looking for a high quality, large home, come see me or give me a call for an appointment. 512-657-3383 and let me show you this beautiful home. It is worth your while. Because I'm telling you, there's a lot of people out there that have their doubts about manufactured homes. You take one step in this house, your doubts are gone. I mean, folks, I'm sitting right on I-10 and we're gonna have the camera point out to I-10. All you can hear is me, and I am literally on I-10. If you were in another house from an off-brand builder, not only would you hear it in the backdrop of this video, but you'd probably see me shaking. But anyways, folks, you need to come see. If you're looking for a high-quality home, come see me, give me a call. I'm John, 512-657-3383. Thank you and have a great day.